Let's move toward literacy, which is the process of teaching and learning about technology and the uses of technology. And really, schools have done a great job at this. They have made great progress in really what to teach and how to teach, and a focus on these needs for specialized skills towards technology. And really, we need to have this idea that we are all learners in a digital society, that anything, anywhere, anytime, we should just be prepared for that. And who has done that really well is the fields of military and medicine. And they've really embraced this idea of on the job training, like you're learning it as you do it. You do it to learn it. And a key to digital citizenship really involves us educating people as technology emerge. Every single day, new apps are created, and we need to be on the forefront of these emerging technologies and continue to develop high literacy skills to where we are able to use these things as they're being created and brought into the mainstream.